Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you that will show you how to add tabs at the bottom of the page in Weebly. Just before I do so, if you haven't tried Weebly before, or if you want to give it a go, if you've got it and you want a free trial version, then there's a link in the description down below that will allow you to access that. So just click that link and you'll be able to access a completely free trial version of the software. So at the bottom of the page, what we need to do is add some tabs. That function isn't built in to Weebly by default, so we'll need to add an app to do that. You can click the add app icon in the very bottom of the element menu to do so. And if you just search for the word tabs, then we've got a couple of options. And what I've read is that, either of these two top results are very good. However, the tabs is probably the one to go for. So if I click that and add that to my site, I can have a live demo of it for free, but I'd have to pay for it. However, we're going to utilize this tabs option for today, and we're just going to add that in. We can confirm to connect that to our website, and then we're done. And that will appear now as an element at the bottom of the elements menu, which we should be able to just drag and drop into our website. So if I close that, there it is there. So if I go to the bottom of the page again, and then click and drag that in, and now we have tabs at the bottom of the page. So as it says, there's some sort of basic design here. The first step is to decide upon the number of tabs. We can have up to 10 with this free app. Then we choose a style and a color, and then add in the content would be the next step. So that's the kind of tutorial that comes up. And you can sort of see that the menu for it is fairly self-explanatory, fairly straightforward. Number of tabs you can set there. So if we add 4 of them, for example, we should see the 4 appear there. And then, you can set like a basic theme from, basic color, whether we want a border or not, and then to run that tutorial again. And as you can see then, the tab itself is just constructed just like a web page would be. So you can add elements straight into the tab like that, and that will populate it with content. So whether it be text or images or links or files or whatever it is that you need, you can just drag and drop them in as elements like that, and you can see that they appear in the tabs. Okay, so that is the conclusion of the tutorial, and like I said, there's a free trial version of Weebly available for you. If you click the link in the description down below, you can give it all a go for free. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or any suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.